Hey guys, the DJI Osmo Action was finally released and it was a pleasure to see so many reviews out there. Peter McKinnon did it, Justine, like the iJustine did it, iPhoneDo did it, Flight Path did a great one as well, Air Photography also provided his review. They were all great, but obviously because they are kind of sponsored, most of them seemed quite honest. I actually would like to talk about the audio. What's wrong with Osmo Action's audio? Like, what is the deal with that? None of the reviewers mentioned any audio adapter. For example, Osmo Pocket has one. I hate it, but it has one, an audio adapter. But what's going to be the deal with Osmo Action? We don't know about it, and I'm kind of pissed because you've already seen that there's no 3.5mm jack. I mean, Osmo Action is a great product. Like, it has a lot of things that GoPro Hero 7 doesn't offer. First of all, that front screen is a great addition. I mean, I love having a screen to look at, then I can frame my shot, except when Osmo is doing that. So, yeah, what is the deal with the audio adapter? Where is it? How much is it going to be? Like, why didn't they release it today? I want to know what's the deal with Osmo Action's audio adapter. All right, thanks for watching. And obviously, see you in another one, maybe with Osmo Pocket again. And until then, arrivederci.